Okay, this video is for my Calculus 1 students. We're working on antiderivatives and motion and basically antiderivatives here. And I've been doing videos. I think this is my third one for the evens or fourth one. I'm losing track here. So here's number 36. So this one's cool because I have f triple prime of x is cosine. So that's our third derivative. Oh man, the fun we're having. So we're still going to start with we're going to do f double prime, and they gave us information for that. Then we're going to go back and find f prime. And actually, I wanted to do a different color, so I'm going to make that one blue because I love blue. And then we're going to go back and we'll do green. Okay, so all that's information. So let's start with red. And first of all, we're going to find our second derivative. So f double prime of x. And if you have your trig square there, I know the antiderivative cosine is sine of x plus my constant c. So now I'm going to come over here. They gave us this information of f double prime of 0 is 3, and I'm going to actually use that to find c. Okay. And it equals 3. I know the sine of 0 is 0, so c is just going to be 3. All right, so it's kind of nice that you know that. I get it. You can put in your calculator. Make sure you're in radians if you do, or if you do it in degrees, you got to convert it, but I do know that. So I know that f double prime of x now is sine of x plus 3. So I'm happy. Okay, now, whoops, I guess I didn't get it all in there. Let's try this again. Now on to blue. Okay, now we're going to find f prime of x. So when I do the antiderivative of sine, it's negative cosine of x plus 3x plus c. You see what we did there? Because this is antiderivative. Now we're going to go up here to the blue and do f prime of 0 is going to be negative cosine of 0 plus 3 times 0 plus c equals 2. Now, I'm hoping that you're ready for me because the negative cosine is 0. I know the cosine of 0 is 1. So this is negative 1 plus 0 plus c equals 2. I probably don't have to do all that, but it's just kind of cool that you guys see that. Add 1 to both sides. I see c is 3 again. So now my f prime of x is actually, ready, negative cosine of x plus 3x plus 3. I hope you guys are having as great a time as I am because I really love doing this. Now we're going to go on to, what color did I pick? Green. Going to go to green. So now we're going to go to green and find my f of x. Fun, fun, fun. So f of x is, and I know the antiderivative of cosine x is sine, so this is negative sine of x. Add 1, divide by the 1/2, divide by 2 or multiply by a half, so it's going to be plus 3/2 x squared plus 3x plus c. Okay, now I know that, let me see what they said in green up here. F of 0 is 1. So we're going to do f of 0 is going to be negative sine of 0 plus 3/2 times 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus c is going to equal 1. So everything here is 0 because the sine of 0 is 0. Even if it's negative 0, it's still 0. This entire side is 0, so c is going to equal 1. So lo and behold, our ending function is, ready? Wait for it. F of x equals negative sine of x plus 3/2 x squared plus 3x plus 1. Now, you got to admit, that was kind of fun. Okay? So that's the only one I'm going to do on this one. I'll do another video for the other ones.